First we invoke the square root property, which lets us write this as 8x minus 15 equal plus or minus the square root of 80. Let's look at the prime factorization of 80. 2 goes into 80 40 times, 2 goes into 40 20 times, 2 goes into 20 10 times, 2 goes into 10 5 times. So 80 is equal to 2 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 to the 4th times 5. So this is equal to plus or minus the square root of 2 to the 4th power times 5. And we could now divide the exponents by 2. Little invisible 2 out there. 2 divides into 4 twice with no remainder. So 2 2's get out, and 2 doesn't divide into 1, so that doesn't get out. So this all equals plus or minus 4 radical 5. So this all equals plus or minus 4 times the square root of 5. Now to finish solving this equation for x, we add 15 to both sides. This gives us 8 times x is equal to 15 plus or minus 4 times the square root of 5. Then dividing both sides by 8, we've solved for x. In fact, we have that x is equal to 15 plus or minus 4 times the square root of 5, all divided by 8. So this is the exact solution to this quadratic equation, 2 real solutions. Now if we choose the plus, we'll get 1, and choose the minus, we get the other solution. So first we have 15 plus the square root of, 4 times the square root of 5, all divided by 8. And this is, the square root of 5, then times 4, then add that to 15, and then divide it by 8. I get 2.993, 2.9930339, 88. It keeps going, but we only need to round this off to the nearest 10,000th. So 10th, 100th, 1000th, 10,000th. The next digit over is just a 3, less than 5, so we can truncate it right there. We don't need to round up. And this is our solution to the nearest 10,000. One of our solutions. The other one will come from picking the negative instead of the positive in the middle here. So we have 15 minus 4 radical 5 divided by 8. Calculating that, we first multiply, we'll find the square root of 5, multiply it times 4, and then subtract that from 15. Then divide by 8. And we get this one approximately 0.756966.011. And it keeps on going forever, but rounding this off to the nearest 10,000th, tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths. The 6 causes this digit to have to round up to, well, instead of 69, that'll round up to 70 on the end. And we need to put that 0 because we're rounding off to the nearest 10,000th. So these are our 2 possible solutions, rounded off to the nearest 10,000th, along with the exact solution with the radical.